Let me show you how to change Yahoo Mail display username. So if you want to change the display username, first select your profile icon here. Then with this drop down, select account info. Now at this stage you may need to log in again to your Yahoo Mail. Once you're in, you should get to this page here. Select personal information. Then on the right hand side you should see your details, and you want to come to the bottom of it and select update personal details. You can change your first and last name, and here is your preferred name. So I'll just keep it at tech. However, you just want to change this, your preferred name, and then select save and update, and you'll have successfully changed your Yahoo email display username. If you found this video helpful, smash the like and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more helpful videos like this one.